If you've ever wondered how people looked after their health, cured themselves of illnesses 5, 6, 7 centuries ago, then you should come to the Curious Cures exhibition. I'm James Freeman, I'm the Medieval Manuscript Specialist at Cambridge University Library and curator of the Curious Cures exhibition. Nowadays, we tend to think of magic and science as living in two separate, even opposing spheres. Medieval people didn't think quite like that. Even medical practitioners whom we might think would be very dismissive of magic and ritual, they too were interested in charms and rituals. And we can see in their manuscripts how they were copying these down, incorporating them into the texts. The Curious Cures exhibition, I hope, will take you on an adventure into medieval medicine. Who was practicing it, what they were trying to do, and what ideas or theories guided their work.